You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Release the air inlet conduit by pushing on the two maintaining spurs. Using a flathead screwdriver, push down on the yellow part of the breather. Release the clamping clip which holds the airbox in place. You can now remove the airbox. Make sure you turn it upwards and pull it towards you. Remove the flange, unscrewing the 6 screws with a small Phillips screwdriver. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their holding, even if they're not fixed in.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Open the airbox. Take out the air filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out the impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. This will allow you to put in the flange back on more easily. Put the air filter flange back in place and rescrew the 6 screws. You can now reinstall the airbox, inclining it in the process. Slot the conduit back in by putting pressure on the left. Then, pivot everything into its housing. Reconnect the breather. Tighten the clamping clip. Finally, put the air inlet conduit back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.